Hello, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to give you a brief overview of TouchDesigner, a bit of a mystical tool, in my opinion. I'm going to explain why it's becoming an indispensable tool for creative professionals. So, my name is Roberto, and thank you for tuning in. Right now, we are seeing a project that was done a while back, and this was done in TouchDesigner. Essentially, what we are looking at right now is my template file, which is operators spinning based on their location. We can see here a data sheet being updated in real time and some surface operators which are controlling essentially the shape of that circle. So in TouchDesigner, it is almost possible to bridge disciplines across any creative field. You can manipulate video in real time, incorporate your graphic designs, integrate web data. Now we're looking at a surface operator 3D rendering, which was automated by sound. We can also do video editing, real-time prototyping, hardware recognition, 2D visuals, web scraping, API, you name it. TouchDesigner is essentially an open node programming platform based off primarily Python. You can do hand tracking, body tracking. It can connect to other programs such as Unreal Engine, Unity, Ableton. It's got AR, XR capabilities. The possibilities are quite literally limitless with TouchDesigner. You can incorporate machine learning, artificial intelligence, you name it. Live show, OSC, DMX, control, MIDI control, quite literally you name it, and this environment can adopt to it. It is quite incredible. If you want to turn an Excel spreadsheet into audio, you can, back and forth. You can create signal data, you name it. It is all available. In my next video, I'm going to show you the specifics of navigating TouchDesigner, what we can create with it, and essentially how it works. So thank you for joining, and we'll see you on the next one. Please consider liking and subscribing to this channel, for there is lots more to come. Thank you very much.